Country people, wherever na they watch us this evening, I throw salute. This na BBC Pidgin. We there for Offa town for Kwara State, North Central Nigeria. Una go down dey hear the story about wetin happen. Say something happen overnight. They no sure whether na bomb, they no sure whether na missile, they no sure whether na drone. But wetin we fit report to na be say right now where we dey near the Eid praying ground for Offa. Na dey for inside the picture over there. This woman wey una see so, wey dey pack her load put inside this small keke. Na for this shop her load and everything dey. When the thing happen last night, he strike am, he hit am, he break the door from inside here, so tey she no fit put her things inside. If you go inside, you go see say all of the walls for inside here na so e break there also. So this woman, when I tell you so, wey dey pack her things, she be one of those people wey dey affected. Plenty of them wey get shop here, they no fit stay because of the impact of that thing wey jam this side. Now wetin we fit confirm for una be say police people don come here. The remnants of that thing wey strike, they don carry am go. Whether the thing na drone, whether na missile or whether na bomb, nobody fit talk. Even me, when I dey here, I no fit confirm for una. But na the damage wey una dey see, like part of the building wey dey here sef, the thing is strike from the edge there, e pass through. This shop wey dey here, na this madam, na her shop. Madam Ekpele, sorry madam. She tell us say she put plenty things inside her shop. Àwọn nǹkan wo lẹ fi sínú shop yín tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí tó ṣàkóbá fún?
Ó pọ̀ gan sàbí àwọn bíi fridge méjì, a lot of provision, drinks, pack as mo lose a lot. Ó pọ̀ because mo ti close lánàá yẹn gan, mi ì mọ anything. Mo ti ń lọ sílé, mo kàn gbọ́ gbàm lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà. Màá wẹ̀yìn báyìí, mo pé ẹ̀kan ti ṣe mí. Kí n tó wẹ̀yìn báyìí, mo pé kíní yẹn tó ti wọ fence tó wà níbẹ̀, mo fi wá gbọ́ pọ́n sọ pé lọ land sí Solid World Hotel. So kò easy ṣá, mo lose a lot.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ Ọlọ́run á bá wa fòfò rẹ̀ mí, Ọlọ́run ní dààmú yín, adúpẹ́ tẹ̀mí tó wà ṣe ti gbọ́, Ọlọ́run ní dààmú yín mà. So na him una don hear from one of the people wey dey affected. Her shop dey here. You go still see part of the wire wey dey take do the bulb, everything is still dey here. They never get chance to clear am. Many people don lose their property from this attack wey dey here. I speak to one young man. He tell me say when he hear the sound bam, the first thing when he come in mind na how to save him mama wey dey inside together. Luckily for the guy, na only injury he get for him ear, but he was able to save his mother from inside the debris inside here where the thing happen. So far, like I tell una before, police people don come. Soldier don't come. They don't come check the area. The remnants of that thing where they say he hit, as the thing hit this place where he break this wall. Mokuna come see. This wall here too. Now him blast. He pass this wall where I stand here. So see everything don't scatter. He waka sote. He come this side. He can't enter here. Jam this place for up. They can't tell me say the thing land somewhere around here. The vibration says he shake the whole place. You go still they smell how the chemical where they inside that thing, how it take be. So far they don't carry and come out. Police people don't carry and go back to Ilorin, the Kwara State capital. They do investigation to tell country people say this now wetin happen. But so far people were there for Offa. They in a state of a small panic because right now things don't dey settle, but plenty people just still they gather around here. They come they look wetin happen. Good evening, sir.
Me around the building.
Around the building, sir. Okay. Gbọ́ bó ti ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀, kàyéfì yẹn ló ṣe yín àti ìtara ọmọnìyàn lẹ fi wá. Báwo ló ṣe wá rí lára yín? Gbogbo oníkálùkù ń ṣe kérésì, wọ́n ń ṣọdún.
Ó bà mí nínú jẹ́ gidi gan nígbà tí mo rí nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. In fact, àti Lemon gan mo ti wá gan.
Lemon lẹ ti wá sí Offa.
Mo ti wá sọ́fà. So mo ní kí n wá wo, ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó bà mí nínú jẹ́ gan. Nítorí ọmọ ìlú ni mí. Ẹ̀tì Lemon ni mo ń gbé, ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó bà mí nínú jẹ́ gidi gan. Kò jẹ́ kí inú mi ó dùn pàápàá lásìkò ọdún yìí. Inú mi ò dùn pàápàá.
A gbọ́ pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó kú nínú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀.
A dúpẹ́ pé kò ṣe yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ó lágbára púpọ̀. Torí kí ní unexpected ló bá everybody láàrin nǹkan bí after 10 ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ láàrin. if not ìsàlẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀ lè mí gbé àgbọ̀ kí èèyàn ṣe gbú àwọn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ìgbà táwọn èèyàn jí láàárọ̀ náà sọ pé wọ́n bá wo àwọn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà yìí nílò èmi ò ráyè gbájú láàárọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbà tí ń bọ́ ní mo ní kí wọ́n á tẹ̀kẹ̀ àti nǹkan tó ti ẹ̀pọ̀ ni kó láì ibi tí mo tún lọ ṣiṣẹ́ gan wọ́n tó pè mí pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ nísàlẹ̀ yìí lọ́dọ̀ wa nǹkan àwọn èèyàn pọ́n bí láàárọ̀ gan ṣẹ́gẹ̀tì tó jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ tó kán wá solúsàn ṣe fún àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n bà dúkìá wọn jẹ́ kẹ́dàkùn torí everybody náà ń gẹ́ra ni ìṣègùn bóyá owó yẹn wà torí kí ni ó bá wọn unexpected so àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run tí kò pààyàn.
So country people wetin dem dey talk be say they thank God say no lives was lost inside this incident but the damage when e cause therefore like make government people make dem chook eye put for the matter make dem come assist the people wey dey affected. The much wey we fit report for una be say so far for this side wey we dey for near the Eid praying ground 2 houses for my back this one wey dey front dey affected. The other place wey dey affected too na one hotel wey dem dey call Solid Walls Hotel e not too far from where we dey so if you waka the thing na just small waka trekkable distance for that hotel when we reach there we see say the thing e burst through the wall of the hotel. One of the person wey dey inside the hotel he tell us say their staff for there something knack am for back of him head they need to stitch him head so that person dey receive treatment but nobody die for hospital. So far na the situation of things wey dey happen here for Offa, Kwara State, North Central Nigeria wey be say something wey resemble drone carry body resemble missile jam people house we no fit confirm exactly wetin the thing be but so far the account of the people wey the thing country people wey be say dem know how e take happen na im we don bring for una but dey give una more updates make una continue to dey follow our page for BBC Pidgin. Thank you, una well done.
All of us have seen what happened, how President Donald Trump sent bomb to scatter all these terrorists that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria. The news has trended online, but it get wetin happen. BBC, I'm here for BBC News. You people came out and showing the world, look at what bomb that President Donald Trump sent in Nigeria. Look at how this bomb damaged this woman's shops, damaged his business. So you want to package it. So let it look like Donald Trump came to Nigeria to slaughter innocent Nigerians. BBC, I want to ask you people a question. Since Nigeria government sending bomb in Imo State, bombing innocent people houses, burning their shops, burning their houses, BBC News, how many times have you people go that place? Have you people go there to interview the owner of the house, ask them questions? Una never do that. Go to Imo State, many innocent people houses has bombed down by Nigerian government. They send bomb, destroying people's businesses. BBC, have you people go there, go to Imo State, ask them question? Una never do that. BBC News, Plateau, Benue, Kogi, different states in Nigeria where these Fulani terrorists are killing people. BBC, how many times have you people go in that village, do them interview, show the world what is happening in Nigeria? Have you people do it? It's a very shameful thing to you people. BBC is a very shameful thing to you people. It's a very shameful thing to you people. BBC. They are massacring people. Go to Benue State. More than 600,000 Christians than there for IDP camp. BBC, have you people go there to ask them questions? When I never do that. BBC, all those villagers, when you go to some village in Benue State, in Plateau, you will see that these Fulani terrorists have conquered. They have conquered those villages. The villagers has run away, leave their village. Those Fulani has conquered, occupied in that village. BBC News, have you people go there to do them interview, to ask them question, what is happening? Have you people do it? The answer is no. BBC is a very shameful thing to you people. Now, President Donald Trump sent bomb to kill these Fulani terrorists that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria. And now you people are going to do interview showing the people, the shops, that this bomb will destroy the woman shop, blah blah blah. Look at this man, look at this woman shop has been destroyed because of the bomb. You people are just showing all those things online. Why are you showing it online? Even during the time where they are bombing Imo State, say they are looking for Biafran people or non-government people. Say they are looking for non-government, bombing innocent people houses. And the poor people from Imo State are crying, lamenting. Look at what government is doing to our house. Who will help us? So everybody keeps silent. Both the governor of Imo State, all the Nigerian politicians keep silence. Nobody stand up to condemn how they are bombing innocent people houses in Imo State. I'm not a supporter of evil. If you want to fight evil people, fight them. I'm not a supporter of evil. But using that privilege to bombing people houses, innocent people houses, is not good. And all the governors, all the politicians keep silent. Nobody condemn me.